Hi, I'm Carl Braun, CEO of Crosspost Classified Networks. Crosspost and After College would like to introduce you to one of the most powerful recruitment tools ever known. It's called Social Job Working, and it's changing the way employers recruit and hire top talent. Did you know that according to published studies, more than 50% of all job seekers are now conducting a job search on a smartphone or tablet? That's right. As predicted, mobile has eclipsed desktop as the preferred method for searching for jobs online. Today, most job boards are either mobile enabled, responsively designed to adapt to any screen, or have their own mobile app for iOS and Android. The number one use for mobile devices is social networking, and the number one and number two applications for social networking on a smartphone are Twitter and Facebook, respectively. But recruiting for this talent using social media can be a daunting task. There are just too many channels. How do you get the attention of candidates using social job working? You do it by targeting where on social media job seekers go. We use a powerful technology developed by the CareerArc Group that posts relevant jobs out to 15,000 job channels on Twitter. For every city in the U.S., there's an average of 90 specialized channels for every type of career option in that region. Using system-generated hashtags and geotags in the Twitter postings, we create a Twitter listing that is searchable by candidates looking for jobs in that location. Job seekers can search using their mobile device for interesting opportunities and have an interactive map of the company's location right down to a street-level picture of the employer's building. In fact, with the CareerArc app, they can point their smartphone at that building and using augmented reality, see the open positions superimposed over the building on their screen, touch one, and begin the application process. Truly space-age technology. Job candidates can also view the jobs on your newspaper's Twitter or Facebook page, the employer's Twitter or Facebook page, or their own. Jobs can also be posted to the employer recruiter's LinkedIn profile automatically. Our technology is fully integrated with the search features on LinkedIn and Facebook using the Connections tool, meaning that every time a candidate clicks on a job, all of their friends and even their friends who work for that employer pop up in a window available for a referral. Statistics show that a candidate who simply applies for a job stands a 1 in 210 chance of getting the job. However, with a referral, those odds dramatically increase to 1 in 10. All job postings to the Social Job Working Network are also indexed by Google to the job title, category, location, employer, and even include a map and directions to the employer. Google indexing increases response rates by 50% or more. Unlike a normal Twitter post, ours are removed from the internet as soon as they're filled, eliminating the continued applications down the road. Normally, Twitter posts reside on the web forever, causing the employer unnecessary inquiries and your newspaper lost revenue. In short, the Social Job Working Network is a powerful tool to reach more than half of all job candidates using mobile devices to search for jobs, as well as those searching with desktop or laptop. The best part is that you, the publisher, can offer your newspaper advertisers this valuable resource and earn significant new revenue for every sale. $30 to $50 profit per post is the average. We need a simple XML feed, and if you're already a Crosspost or After College client, it only takes a phone call to get started. There's no cost to you, and our enhanced incentive program for your sales staff applies. It is clear that mobile and social job working are here to stay and will grow exponentially in the coming months. Newspapers that adopt this upsell network stand to gain excellent new revenue while providing the best tools for your employers. Truly a win-win. Don't delay. Contact your Crosspost or After College representative today. Contact information is below. Be sure to also download our free white paper entitled The 13 Benefits of Social Job Working. Happy hunting!